Creating your own sprite is fairly simple. What we're going to do is we're going to come in here to create a sprite, and let's say I want Mario to shoot out like red fireballs. So what I can do is I can type in like red fireball, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Sprite. And you'll see that obviously there is nothing there. So underneath Edit, I'm going to click on the white sheet of paper that says Create a New Sprite. Now it's going to ask me for the width and height, and the default is 32 by 32. We can go ahead and click on OK for now. We can always go back and change the size of it at a later time. So like for example, if I click on OK, and I can come back to this in a minute, if I go to Mario, I can see that he is 45 pixels by 49 pixels, so obviously I'm going to want my fireball to be smaller than him, so maybe even like half the size. So what I can even do is I can go back to here, and I can even resize the canvas, and I can do maybe like 15 pixels by 15 pixels. Now I understand it's a tiny little screen, but we can zoom into it to make it look different later. I'm going to double click where it says image 0, and you're going to see another screen appear. This editing software works very much like Microsoft Paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down Control, and using the trackball on my mouse, I am going to zoom in so that I can see this box. Now, even though more boxes have appeared for the background, it is still at the same pixels. So for a red fireball, what I can do is first I'm going to draw your attention to all the way to the right where it says left and right. This is saying that when I press down on the left key, this is the color that's going to appear. If I press using the right button on my mouse, that's the color that's going to appear. So if I want a I don't know, let's say I want a red fireball with you know, a black outline, I can draw the fireball to have to be black first, and then with the right key I want it to be red. So I'm going to right click on the red color. So let me show you. I'm going to click on draw an ellipse. So in the top left hand corner I'm going to click and hold. Okay, and you'll see here that I have a red fireball with a black outline. I would keep it simple for your personally created sprites. I wouldn't go crazy. So if I just want that, then I can click on OK. If you're familiar with Microsoft Paint, then you'll be pretty familiar with how to draw. If not, just again, keep it simple. So from here I can go ahead and click on OK. And now I've got the sprite of my red fireball, so that is my personally created sprite. So from here I'll click on save and make sure that everything is saved properly.